The 2000 Lincoln Navigator. It's so luxurious, so comfortable, and so peaceful. You can almost hear a needle drop. The best-selling full-size luxury SUV in America is also the most powerful in the world. If you're interested in hearing more, drop in.
How does Lotrimin AF start curing athlete's foot? On contact. How does it start to relieve the itching and burning? On contact. So if you can't wait to feel better, there's nothing like starting the cure. On contact. Lotrimin AF, the killer cure.
Call them Generation D, the generation that was born digital and raised on the net, speaking a language of zeros and ones. Now they're at Worldcom, developing web centers, the wireless internet. And for them, it's a joyride. Want to feel comfortable with new technologies? Work with people who are comfortable. Worldcom, Generation D.
You've always believed that your dreams would come true.
And all of the time, we've been rooting for you.
For 4 long years, you put your life on hold.
Now this is your chance, friend.
Go for the gold. Don't fall. Now that the pressure is on, don't fall. Just keep your energy strong. So follow your star.
'Cause you've got a friend in Powerbar.
How does Lotrimin AF start curing athlete's foot? On contact. How does it start to relieve the itching and burning? On contact. So if you can't wait to feel better, there's nothing like starting the cure. On contact. Lotrimin AF, the killer cure.
I have a dream.
I walk out onto the high dive platform at the Olympics and make the perfect back 2.5 twister.
Will my Olympic dream come true? Nah, I'm a pole vaulter.
There'll still be some limits to the dreams of Olympic athletes, but none for Olympic Games spectators with Visa, the only card accepted at the Sydney Olympic Games.
I can't even swim.
Visa, it's everywhere you want to be.
Wood, leather, adrenaline. The new Lincoln LS, Motor Trend Car of the Year.
The hole-in-one. The sand trap. The bad lie. Tiger Woods defends his title next at the Advil Western Open.
We have a situation. After tonight, lost baggage isn't all you'll worry about. Kiefer, Sutherland, the network premiere, Ground Control, ABC Tonight.
The 2000 Lincoln Navigator. It's so luxurious, so comfortable, and so peaceful. You can almost hear a needle drop. The best-selling full-size luxury SUV in America is also the most powerful in the world. If you're interested in hearing more, drop in.
Pinocchio.
A classic tale comes to life. The Wonderful World of Disney presents The Adventures of Pinocchio, ABC Sunday at 7, 6 Central.
Listen up, everybody. 2 guys and a girl and Norm are never coming back.
What?
I'm kidding. They're really back on Wednesday. It was just a joke.
Are you sure?
Yeah, sure. So everybody be happy. Because 2 guys and a girl and Norm are really back on Wednesday.
How's that make you feel?
Pretty good, actually. Thanks for asking. See you Wednesday on ABC.
For as long as the light is blue, Labatt blue light.
If you drink and drive in this state, you'll pay a price. You'll lose your driver's license. You'll be arrested. And you will do time somewhere. If you booze it, you'll lose it. This one lost everything. And that's real hard time.
A message from North Carolina law enforcement in the Governor's Highway Safety Program.
More.
"30 contenders, 3 continents, 1 winner. The new Lincoln LS. Motor Trend Car of the Year.
I was about to start training for the Tour de France when I was first diagnosed with cancer.
Arranging a regimen of 3 Bristol-Myers Squibb cancer drugs, doctors worked with Lance Armstrong to first control his cancer, then to beat it. For over 3 decades, Bristol-Myers Squibb has been at the forefront of developing cancer medicines.
Today, my life is ahead of me. My wife and I just had a son, Luke David Armstrong.
Oh, yeah.
Hope, triumph, and the miracle of medicine. Bristol-Myers Squibb Company.
You've got a key to your house. You've got a key to your car. Well, now you've got a key to the pump. Speed Pass from Mobil. It's your personal key to getting in and out of the station fast. Just wave it at the pump, gas up, and go. To get your free Speed Pass, call now, toll free. Mobil Speed Pass is linked to a major credit card or check card you already have. Over 3 million people are already getting gas faster with Mobil Speed Pass, the fastest way to get gas.
1,000, million, infinity, anything.
Infinity, I guess, because it goes on and on and on. The opposite of 0 is any other number besides 0.
Oh, because O and 0, they're like the same exact shape, and they like reflect off each other.
1.
How does Lotrimin AF start curing athlete's foot? On contact. How does it start to relieve the itching? On contact. How does it help stop the burning? On contact. How does it start killing all 3 funguses? On contact. Nothing cures better or faster than Lotrimin AF, the #1 recommendation of doctors. So if you can't wait to feel better, there's nothing like starting a cure on contact. Lotrimin AF, the killer cure.
Wood, leather, adrenaline. The new Lincoln LS. Motor Trend Car of the Year.
The hole-in-one. The Sand Trap. The Bad Lie. Tiger Woods defends his title next at the Advil Western Open.
We have a situation. After tonight, lost baggage isn't all you'll worry about. Kiefer Sutherland, the network premiere, Ground Control, ABC Tonight.
We've all read about Generation X and Gen Y. This is Generation D, the generation that was born digital. The computer is no more exotic than the refrigerator. They did voice over IP in their dorm rooms. Now they're here at Worldcom. All the new technology, they totally get it. They're just wondering what's taking the rest of the world so long. Worldcom, Generation D.
Promotional consideration provided by National Car Rental, the official car rental company of Disneyland and Walt Disney World Resort.
He's one rough cop.
So I gotta smack you in the back of the head.
But tonight,
Would you think this would be all right?
Andy Sipowicz
Or do you think I'm making a mistake?
must come face to face with the one thing he fears most. A date. NYPD Blue, ABC Tonight, 10/9 Central. Viewer discretion advised.
John, seen that? Oh, you're good.
Yeah?
You're the best.
You guys hungry back there?
Is this tuna?
Got it.
I wouldn't open that.
Oh, man. He opened it.
Guys, just get some beer.
Pickle. I got the ice house. All right. I'll be right back. Don't touch that.
Okay.
Fellas?
Frosty cold mom.
Dinner party, Ice House style. Because sometimes all you need is a smooth, never watered down taste of Ice House. Enjoy.
It's here, waiting for you. Inside is unlimited strength and power. It builds confidence